In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color in MESHY AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a plain, untextured model into a colored, styled asset using MESHY's texturing tools, with a few helpful settings that control quality and realism. Start by heading to the MESHY website. Once you're on the homepage, navigate to Workspace. This is where your projects live and where you'll access any models you've created. Inside Workspace, select the model you made that currently has no color. It will typically appear as a gray or untextured mesh. Open it so you can work directly on that file. With the model open, click on Texture. This brings up the texturing panel, which is where you'll provide creative direction and choose how MESHY generates your textures. In the prompt box, describe the look you want. Be clear and specific about materials, colors, and surface qualities. For example, instead of saying make it red, describe the finish in detail, like deep red painted metal with subtle weathering and light scratches, or warm walnut wood with a fine grain. The more precise your language, the more accurately MESHY can interpret your intent. Next, choose the AI model that best suits your goal. Some models are tuned for realism, while others may favor stylized looks. If you're unsure, start with the general or recommended option. You can always refine your choice after reviewing the results. You'll also see a few toggles that control how the textures are generated. Remove lighting strips out baked-in lighting from your original geometry, which helps ensure the final texture responds correctly to lights in your scene. Turn it on if the base model has unwanted shading baked into the mesh. Generate PBR maps creates the full set of physically based textures, such as base color, normal, roughness, and more. Enabling this is a great idea if you plan to use the model in game engines or renderers where realistic material response matters. HD texture produces higher resolution results for crisper detail. Keep in mind this can increase processing time and file size, so turn it on when you need maximum fidelity. When you're ready, click Texture to start generation. MESHY will process your prompt, apply the selected model, and use your toggle choices to build the texture set. After it finishes, you'll see the updated look on your model. If anything feels off, refine your prompt or adjust the toggles and run texture again until the color, material, and detail match your vision. That's all you need to add color in MESHY AI with confidence and control.